Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see what is in the bag. Whoops. Make sure I don't cut anything else here. All right. Get that out of there. Gotta get my tape measure ready. All right, these kits come from FGNormal. So we'll start with the one on top. I'll just move this other one out of my freeway. Now the first one, I think, is a 40 by 60, and it was, yes. And it was $11.17. Let's see what's inside. Pull off the bag. Flip it over. I will put a picture of it here. Alright. So as you can see, it's two hummingbirds. And it's done in kind of a Victorian manner. And this, I was looking to see if it was one of those ones, you know, with the new ones, but it's not. So it does have the product number, how big it is here. Let me flip it, and it's 233 by 147, and we have 28 colors in this. I think that's going to be fine for this. I really do. Get it undone. It's kind of staticky together there. So it's kind of a vignette picture. Very pretty. It has some confetti here, there, and everywhere. Does have big areas. Now this paper pattern has no smudges, no smears, no blotches, nothing like that. Let's take a look at what colors it has. It has 154, which is the mulberry color, 310 black, no 823, no 939, no 3371. None of the major players here. It does have 3770, which is that butter color. So that is going to be the background here. And no 3865. But as you, let me fold it, please. You can see it does have a bit of confetti in it. But I think we'll get through it. It does have bigger areas as well. But I really thought this was a really pretty little picture. And I'm glad it's not too big. Paper pattern is nice and big and easy to read. I don't think you'd have to blow it up any. So, yeah. Awesome. Let's take a look at what else is here. It does come with paper instructions on how to start, how to finish, how to do the cross stitches, how to do other stitches if it called for it, and how to finish it when you're done. It does come with a toolkit with 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. And whoops, I got it backwards. We have a bird this time, so that's very nice. And the threads are all packaged up nice. It does come on a thread card, and it has how big it is and the product number. Let's see here. Let me get rid of that. I don't think we'll need that anymore. There's that 3770 color. It's kind of a peachy yellow, if you will. I don't know how else to explain it. It's not peach and it's not yellow. So it's like a pale orange. I don't know how else to explain it. Very beautiful. And I love all these antique looking colors. Let me get it all shook out. Very pretty. Very pretty indeed. Gorgeous. And we have magentas. There's that mulberry color I was talking about. Lots of 310 black. But the rest of them are all antique looking colors. Got some greens in various shades from like olive to dark green, or like a Kelly green, Christmas green. And some reds. So very nice. Very nice. Very well done on the colors. I'm glad it's on a thread card. It saves me time. That means we can start it faster. Yay! You know how that goes. Let's take a look at the canvas. The canvas is serged all the way around. Product number, how big it is here, and how many squares per square it is here. Paper pattern will match the canvas. This is very nicely printed. Very easy to see symbols. Very nice key here. The thread goes just a tad bit into the edge of the numbers, but nothing too terribly bad. So this should not be very bad at all to work on. It's going to have its moments though, I'm not going to lie. But I like that it has some bigger areas as well. So I think I might start, like, I would start on one of the birds just to see how they came out. Let's see here, 60 centimeters that way, and 40 centimeters this way. Actual picture size is 13¼ inches, or 33½ centimeters by 21 inches, or 50, we'll call it 53½, just to call it even. It's really close, but very nice. I really like this pattern. I think it's beautiful. Just classic looking. I love those colors. Sometimes you got to have muted colors in verse to the bright colors. So it's kind of a nice change of pace, and I'm glad it's not too wide, because some of them, they get a little hard to handle. And the canvas is kind of thick, but it's real nice and smooth and slick on the outside and the back side. But it's just kind of a thick fabric. So all works out for me. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Let me get it out of its bag. There's a few things with it. Let me pull it out. Put that up there. Okay, I will put a picture of this one here. All right, as you can see, this is kind of it's like a house with castle turrets, if you will. This is a 50 by 75, and this one was $13.62. This has 39 colors. I'm just going to move this out of my way. It's a little broad here. Let's take a look at this paper pattern. So far, I'm not seeing any smudges or smears. There's a little bit right in here, but nothing to write home about. It's not bad at all. Let's see about this side. Same way, just a little flick here, little flick there. Nothing too terribly horrible bad. So, paper pattern will match the canvas. Let's see what colors are in this one. So we have the 154 again. We have 310 black. We have no 321, no 498, no 666 red. This is going to be muted colors as well. No 823, no 939, no 3371. It also has 3770 and no 3865. And it's a nice big paper pattern. It's huge, ginormous. So I'm not going to open it up all the way, but very nicely done. I can't really tell about the confetti until I see the canvas. There's a great big area right in here, and there's some on the top, but it looks like a little bit of confetti when you get into the defining parts of it, you know, the turrets, and I think there's trees there. I can't quite remember. There's a tree on this side, and they seem fine, but it looks a little confetti, like right in the middle-ish on the building. Do you see what I mean? Right through, bring it down a little bit, right through here. so not too bad. We'll see once we get to the canvas. All right. So this comes with a toolkit. We had the puppy dogs, 5 needles, poop ball thimble, and needle threader. Set that aside. Comes with the instructions again, how to start, how to finish. And the colors are on a thread card again. Does come with a sticker saying it's 50 by 75, so it's going to be long and skinny. And the product number. Everything matches. I see hanks of thread. All right, let me get rid of that. So we have one hank of 747, which is really pretty. We have some dark teal, which is 3799. We have some olive green, which is 640. So these are going to be muted colors again, which is very nice. 535. It's kind of a steel charcoal, if you will. It's got a little tone to a blue, but more gray than where that came from. Gray than blue. Let me get these, excuse me, all unwound. All right, I'm back. I had to sneeze. Holy cow. So, got teals and greenish blues. Kind of a mocha color. Shake this out. They're all kind of mooshed together. All right. Whoops, sorry, didn't mean to hit the camera. Lovely magentas, and there's that mulberry color. And we have a brown. Oh no, the mulberry color's right here. I'm sorry, my bad. Well, this one's kind of a bricky red. I'm not sure which one color number that is. And there's your 3770. More teal, blue, blue greens. It's mostly blue greens, if you will. Just beautiful colors, gorgeous. Just love the whole setting on that. Let me get this all back together. Yeah. Let me lay these down in the middle so I don't lose anybody. That would be tragic at this point. All right, get it all folded up. That is a lot of thread. I don't know if you can tell how wide that is, but that is a lot of thread. Let's take a look at the canvas. Canvas is serged all the way around. Oh yeah, there's going to be some moments in this one too. But there's big rivers of color over here. The, what do you call it? The serging does not go into the numbers on this side. Very nice. Very well printed. See if I can just fold it and hold it as steady as I possibly can. Very nicely done. Let me pull it. It's kind of long and skinny. Let me see if I can measure it while I got it all strung out there. And then we'll look at the canvas a little bit more. All right. 74 centimeters, that is, or little over 29 inches by 50 centimeters or 19 3/4. Actual picture size is 17 1/4 inches or 43.5 by approximately, trying to hang on to it and move it across, 71 centimeters or 28 inches. So it's got some size on it, but yeah, I think it'll be beautiful when it's done. Just gorgeous. Now I'm going to fold it in half so we can look at it half at a time because it's consuming my desk here. So like I said, there's some confetti down through here and like the turrets and the parts of the buildings. But the background, you know, they're kind of nice and big spacious areas. So, yeah. And then the confetti's like blink, 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 blink over on the other side too. But this is where most of your confetti is. So that's kind of the way I looked at it when I saw the paper pattern, but I wasn't real sure. We just got stuff all over this desk. Let's get rid of the scissors before they fall on my foot. But very nicely done, very well printed. This too is kind of a thick, heavy-duty canvas, but it's nice and smooth on the inside and the outside. So I like that part. Because some of those canvases before, like let's say a year, maybe 2, they were just rough, and when they get next to your hand, it would just cut into your hand where you're holding it, and to save my life, I can't get it into a frame or use like a Q-snap or anything like that, like some people can. I just cannot do it. So, very nice. I am very much looking forward to working on this one as well. Let me put that up there. Now that is all I got from FGNormal. I will probably be starting one of these later on today. So do stay tuned for that. It'll be about 1 o'clock Mountain Standard Time, USA. Now, did I say thank you, FGNormal? They're beautiful. They're gorgeous. Thank you so much. FGNormal has cross stitch, beaded cross stitch. I'm pretty sure they have diamond painting. Yeah, they have diamond painting and paint by number and cross stitch, tools and crafts for all 3 of those. They also have beaded cross stitch and embroidery as well. They do scrapbooking, wool felt, paper quilling, wax seal stuff, and they have custom in diamond painting and paint by number. I'm not sure if they have it in cross stitch now or not. And if they have any specials, or if I have any discount codes, they will be in the description box below. Thank you all for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.